Okay, do you see their question on the board? Can you answer it? Okay, drop your answer on comment section. Okay, let's answer the question together, all right? The question says, which of the following is a physical change? A, freezing ice cream. B, dissolving calcium in water. C, burning kerosene. D, exposing white phosphorus to air. Okay, now before we be able to answer this question, you are meant to understand the meaning of physical change. You know, physical change are those changes, or sorry, is that change that is related to physical properties. All right, so when you look at physical changes, we say that there are those changes that in which there is no new substances or no new substance form, and they are easily reversible. Okay, these are the kind of changes that whenever they happen, you find out that what the substance in question did is just to transform or to change its form from one form to another. Am I communicating? So let's look at option A. All right, okay, the option A says freezing ice cream. If ice cream freezes, okay, the ice cream just changed from, you know, liquid to solid state. Are you with me? So no new substance were formed, and you can reverse it back to liquid phase. Am I communicating? So that one is pending. So dissolving calcium in water. Okay, if you dissolve calcium in water, you are going to form calcium hydroxide, of course. Okay, so new substance is formed. Do you see it now? So which means this is a chemical change because you produce new substance, and this is difficult to be reversed back to calcium. All right, by physical method. Take note of that. Okay. Then C, burning kerosene. When you talk about burning means combustion. When kerosene burns, okay, being a hydrocarbon, it can actually produce water and CO2. Am I communicating? So it's also a chemical change. So this is a chemical change. Okay, this is a chemical change. I'm putting wrong or bad sign here because or the fact that I know that the question is looking for physical change. So this is not a physical change. This is not a physical change, all right? So exposing phosphorus to air, okay? When you expose phosphorus to air, okay, it can actually attract oxygen and it can even ignite, okay? So it's also a chemical change. Am I communicating? So this can burn, phosphorus can burn when exposed to what? To air. Am I communicating? So the correct option here is actually freezing the ice cream or freezing ice cream. All right, so option A is our correct answer. If you get the answer correct, let us know in the comment section. Thank you.